What's going on, guys? It's Very Freaky Gaming and I'm back with another video. Hope you guys like and enjoy this video. And guys, in this video we are going to be doing something very interesting. In today's episode, we are gonna be using this aircraft I used in my tutorial video the last time to battle. This is gonna be interesting, so guys, stand to the end of today's episode. We will battle with this very nice aircraft. Okay, I think we got some reward. Let's go ahead and take that reward. That's the 5 reward. Oh jeez. Actually guys, that's my first time battling with this aircraft, so I think it's not gonna be very cool to me, but I'll just try. Hope let me know about what you guys think about this aircraft in this video. This is so cool. Just check it out, the propellers and everything. So let's go battle and see what we're gonna be getting. I'm so frustrated, guys. This is my very first battle. I don't know if you're gonna win or not. It's just very first. I mean with the aircraft. Okay. Keep loading. Okay, let's battle. Oh my god, I think we'll be in the battlefield very soon. Oh geez, look at us. They said destroy the enemy ground vehicles. Oh my god, this is going to be insane. Okay, let's just go ahead and fire. Oh my god, guys. Whoa, check it out, so great. And it's made a flip on this head. Oh. Let's just go ahead and fire some more. So we really need to get the ground targets, guys. As you can see, you're firing a lot of bullets on these guys. Oh, that was close. That was very close, Mike. Okay. That's not actually the aircraft I showed to you the beginning of the video. We are just testing this one out because it's our very first battle. So after this battle, after 2 respawns, we're going to be using the aircraft I showed to you. Oh, this thing is very difficult to control. Oh, we just got hit. Oh, we got hit on our right wing. I think that's so cool. Oh guys, I'm doing a lot of flips. Okay, let's just go. Oh, I think there's something wrong. Hey guys, you're back again. Oh, the enemies are really getting me kicked up. They're really kicking my ass. What? Let's just go ahead and shoot the ground vehicles. I think we got one. Oh, gun jammed. No bless. Oh my god, it just got me out. Oh no, let's just go ahead and use the very last respawn. Okay. And here we are in the game again. Destroy the enemy ground vehicles is the main target for today. But oh guys, handling this aircraft is so difficult. So I'm just trying to get things up here. Let's go ahead and fire. Oh jeez, this is so insane. Oh guys, we got some bad network connection, but we're still good. No problem. Oh, did we just hit that aircraft? Oh, I think we hit that We hate the aircraft here. We hate the aircraft. Oh my god, we just got kicked up again by this aircraft right here on the screen. Let's return to the hangar immediately so that we can go and use another 2 respawns with different aircrafts, not same aircraft, different aircrafts. Okay, we've got some rewards for the battle. Let's just take it, guys. This is the very aircraft you're going to be using in the next battle. Oh, I think we purchased. Oh no, let's use China. We'll be using China today to battle. Look at this aircraft, check it out, it's so great. Okay, let's battle with this aircraft. Okay, but let me know what you guys think about this aircraft in the comment section down below. I think now we are joining the events. Okay, you can see a whole map of the enemy and my team. Okay, to battle. Wait, we got 2 respawns on this one too, so you can do something before dying this time, because this is my very first time using an aircraft in the battle. I'm always using the tanks. But guys, in the next episode we'll be using boats, armed boats to battle. Okay, check out the view of this aircraft. Guys, the same aim is to destroy the enemy ground vehicles. We are firing a lot of. Ooh. I think this aircraft is just perfect for battling, but we'll try and get more customized aircraft with bombs and AGMs the very next time we come back. Okay, I think we are doing great. I've not been hit yet. Oh, we just hit a target. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm really trying my best over here. That's my very first time using an aircraft in the battle, as I said already. Oh my. Oh. No, we just damaged our propellers. No. Come on, freaky. Oh jeez. I was trying to come up again, but we just ended. Oh geez, someone just fired my wing. I mean right wing. Oh jeez. Oh my god. This episode is so insane, man. So far everything is okay, but a lot of people on the battlefield. You can see on the menu up, and you can see on the menu up right at the right corner of the screen, the red guys blinking at the enemies. Whoa, we just damaged our right wing again. Oh my god. Oh jeez, and we are being hit by the enemy. Oh god. No, freaking. But that was my fault. This is my very first time using this aircraft in the battles. There's no problem with that, but no problem, guys. Just go ahead and use our last respawn after this. Okay, so that's the last respawn you can see, so let's go ahead and use it. Okay guys, and a different aircraft altogether. The same aim, you're destroying the enemy ground vehicles, so let's go for it. Fire, 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 freaky, freaky fire. Oh no. But so far I really like the way I'm flying this thing. Let me know what you guys think about how wait oh geez. As I was saying, let me know what you guys think about this video. We are really giving them all that we've got, but it has gone to no avail. You can check right on top of us. There's a blue and a red bar that shows the winning team. Oh my god, I'm really trying my best over here to take this aircraft to the right. Oh, I just got shot. Oh, my left wing is damaged. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to win this battle because everything is so getting freed out. Okay. Oh, I think the aircraft is smoking. It's smoking. Oh guys. Oh, this guys got my tail. They've got my tail. No. My tail. Oh my god. Oh my, that no. It just damaged my tail completely. Oh my god. Guys, this episode is so insane. But we've really tried our best because I didn't even know I'll be able to fly this thing in such a nice way. Okay, let's return to the hangar very soon. Okay, anyways guys, we are gonna oh my god, jeez, the reward is super huge, but I think we'll be doing the last battle before we end today's episode. Just going through some things. Let's see if they got any. Oh, I think we got a new crew. Let's choose a crew. And this is the vehicle right there, but we are not gonna be using this. We're only gonna just check it out. It's so cool, but no, we can't use you, buddy. So let's battle, but not with the ground vehicle, with an aircraft. This is going to be our last battle for today, and it's got 2 respawns too. I think the mission is around the beach side. Yeah, beach. Let's battle. Let's just battle and see. Okay. Leveling up. Okay, and here we are. Yeah, as I said, this battle is on the beach. That's why it's kind of not huge. Yeah, not huge, but you can go ahead and destroy some ground vehicles before the aircrafts arrive. Oh my god, wait. Let's just go ahead and increase the speed of this aircraft and shoot. Okay. Give them all that you got, freaky. All that you got. Oh my god. Oh. Fire, freaky. Oh god, we just hit one target. Oh, 2 times hit. That is great. Guys, we're doing great into these episodes. Oh god, they just hit my tail. Oh, OMG. Oh no, that really gets me down. Well, let's try and escape. Oh, guys, I didn't intend to make this video long, but unfortunately it's about 90 minutes, not so long. Oh jeez, it damaged my left wing again. Guys, this thing is so messed up right now. Oh my. Fire. No, don't crash, no. No. Guys, that was bad. Okay. We are back with a different aircraft on the same battlefield, where we are battling so greatly. Oh, this thing is so great. Oh, let's go ahead and increase the speed and see if we can get some targets. Oh no. No, that was close. We just damaged it. Oh, right and left wings. Oh my god, this thing is insane. Oh jeez, these guys really can make it. Oh, I'm so damaged. I don't think you're gonna make it. Oh no. Stay up. Can't do this. Oh no, we are so damaged. As you guys can see down here, the aircraft is so damaged. It's very messed up. Right at the left corner, you can see I'm really damaged, guys. Oh my god, I'm so trying to be in the air right now, but I don't think I'm going to make it. It's really damaged now. Oh my god. My days. Oh my. I think you're gonna crash. Oh no. Oh. Okay guys, I think I'm not as good at flying this thing, but I'll try to improve on that for the very next episode. But don't forget in the very next episode we will be using a boat. Okay, let's return to the hangar immediately. I have no invites. Guys, check out the plane is so messed up. No problem. Guys, this game is so good. Very. Oh, it gave us nothing, not even a single reward. That is not good. Okay, let's research about some things, right? Okay, let's research on that one. Okay, finish this up. Guys, check out the aircraft. It was so great on the battlefield, but unfortunately we were not able to win the battle, but we tried our best. Oh, that is great. Oh god. He said check out the propellers and everything. But on this note, I'll be ending today's episode. As always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share and comment. It's very important. I'm counting on you guys to share and comment this video. See you guys in the very next video. Peace out.